welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Skeem Saam from the 10th to the 14th of November 2025 on Monday. Mkhulu Gumede's message to Lehasa start to make sense as new information is revealed. Charles and Salamina receives a mysterious gift. Phumulo is shocked to learn that Lehasa is working with Peterson on Tuesday. Phumulo makes a move to capture Peterson and gain control over him. Elizabeth has a terrible news for Kwaito. Clement advises Koloi to resort to dishonest means to secure a job on Wednesday. Mantuli encouraged Kwaito to fight for his marriage. Phumulo and Lehasa successfully manipulate an unsuspecting cop to their advantage. Koloi takes steps toward pursuing his dream, but his excitement triggers unwanted attention from colleagues on Thursday. Nkosi and Kwezi hatch a plan to catch the anonymous person threatening Kwezi. Koloi receives some positive news. Elizabeth confides in Mapitsi about Kwaito's ultimatum on Friday. A teenage girl goes missing. Lehasa goes on a search for Da Austin's family. Jose offers Koloi some good luck, but Muti help him success in his job for interview. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.